head. On the back of the head. In the first Harry Potter movie, we find Harry Potter. We find Harry Potter living underneath the stairs. He lives underneath the stairs. He is very sad. He is very sad because he lives underneath the stairs. Poor Harry Potter. But we then find out that Harry Potter is a wizard. Harry Potter is a wizard. He can do magic. Avada Kedavra. Sectum Sempra. He is a wizard. Magical boy. He's a magical boy. This is his wand. This is his wand, which he uses to do magic. Now, Harry Potter has to go. He has to go to Hogwarts School. To Hogwarts School. So he can learn how to do magic. So he can learn how to do magic. Because he is a wizard. He is a wizard. You're a wizard, Harry. But at the school, Hogwarts, there is a problem. There is a three-headed dog. A 3, 1, 2, 3 headed dog. Woof woof. Dog. Woof woof. Guarding a stone. A powerful, magical stone. And Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, and Ron Weasley need to get the stone. They need to get the stone to stop a very bad man. To stop a very bad man. A very bad man. Harry goes in past the dogs, the 3-headed dogs, and he finds Lord Voldemort on the back of another teacher of magic's head. On the back of the head of Mr. Professor Quirrell. Professor Quirrell. It's on the back of his head. Harry is not scared. He's not scared. He's brave. Harry is brave. And he fights Voldemort with his magic. And he defeats Voldemort. He defeats him. Lord Voldemort, on the back of the head, is defeated. He's defeated. Or so we think. But in this movie, he is defeated. So, Harry Potter is very, very happy. Harry Potter and his friend Hermione Granger and his other friend, Ron Weasley, are very happy because they have defeated Lord Voldemort. They have defeated Lord Voldemort, or so they think. At the end of the movie, everyone throws their wizard hats into the air at the school to celebrate the defeat of Lord Voldemort. This is Harry Potter number 1. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments below if you are looking forward to watching the new series on HBO, or if you think it's going to be terrible. I don't know. I've not seen it yet, but probably. Bye. Have a good day. Mwah.